Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your name, and today we're diving into a topic that's making headlines worldwide, the battle for AI chip dominance. It's a battle with billions of dollars at stake, with major players like the US, China, Nvidia, and more all vying for control. And the outcome could have a huge impact on the future of technology as we know it. So, buckle up and let's get started. At the heart of this battle is Nvidia. They've become the undisputed king of AI chips, with their powerful GPUs powering everything from self-driving cars to cutting-edge AI research. These chips are in such high demand that companies are literally fighting to get their hands on them. And that demand has sent Nvidia's stock price through the roof. We're talking about a company now worth over $1 trillion, thanks in large part to the incredible success of their AI chips. They've become the gold standard, and everyone wants a piece of the action. But not everyone is happy about Nvidia's dominance, especially China. They see AI as crucial to their technological ambitions, and they don't want to be reliant on a US company for such a vital resource. So, they're investing heavily in developing their own domestic AI chip industry. And the US has taken notice. They're concerned about China's growing AI capabilities, seeing it as a potential national security threat. That's why they've slapped sanctions on China, restricting their access to the most advanced AI chips, including those made by Nvidia. But China is finding ways around those sanctions. Recent reports have revealed that Chinese companies are going to extreme lengths to acquire these coveted AI chips, using smugglers, front companies, and even setting up shell corporations to evade US export controls. They're determined to get their hands on this technology, one way or another. One of the hotspots for this underground trade is Shenzhen, China's tech manufacturing powerhouse. You can find pretty much anything in Shenzhen's massive electronics markets, including those restricted Nvidia AI chips. The demand is so high that vendors are selling them at a huge markup, and buyers are happy to pay the price. But Nvidia isn't the only game in town anymore. AMD, their main rival in the graphics card market, is stepping up their game in AI chips. They're investing heavily in research and development, and their new Instinct MI300 AI GPU is generating a lot of buzz. While still behind Nvidia in sales, AMD is making significant strides and posing a real challenge. And then there's Intel, the traditional chip giant. They've been lagging behind in the AI race, but they're making moves to catch up. They recently acquired Habana Labs, an Israeli AI chip startup, and they're investing billions in building new chip factories. Intel knows they need to be competitive in the AI chip market if they want to remain relevant in the years to come. So, what does all this mean for the future of AI? One thing's for sure, the competition is heating up, and that's good news for the advancement of artificial intelligence. More companies vying for dominance means faster innovation, lower prices, and more choices for consumers. This is a rapidly evolving landscape, and I'm doing my best to keep you up to date on all the latest developments. I'm really trying to make these videos the best they can be, and to build a community where we can all learn and discuss these exciting advancements in AI. So, please leave a comment below with your thoughts on the AI chip war. What do you think of China's efforts to acquire advanced chips? Are you excited about the potential of AMD and Intel to challenge Nvidia's dominance? Let's discuss. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.